Good morning, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I had sent you guys a message that I have some info on how you guys can get better quality in the first leads when people are doing some searches for fencing in Sacramento. So we're going to go over this today, and I'm going to explain to you guys how you can do that. Hopefully you find some information in this that is helpful for you guys. So looking at your guys' site, I do like the look of your guys' site. Couple recommendations I do have is you do have your contact form here, but putting a contact form on this homepage will also really help you guys out, just because people are looking for the path of least resistance and the easeability when going onto these websites. So the easier you make it for potential customers to get a hold of you guys, the better. So putting a contact form on this homepage will definitely help you guys out. Another thing I would recommend is your phone number in more places. You have it down here. But making this click to call also. So for people who are searching for you guys on mobile devices, if they're able just to click that and connect right to their phone, that would really help you guys out in your conversions as well. Last thing I really wanted to talk about is content. So Google recently did a study where they tallied up over 1 million different websites, looking at all the top ranked websites across multiple niches. And what they found in this is that the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. You guys are definitely below that currently. So beefing up that content would definitely help you guys out as far as your rankings. And I'll explain to you why that's so important here very shortly. So looking at fencing in Sacramento, this is the keyword I chose because it's currently getting about 300 searches a month. So lots of value there and potential clients that you could get by getting ranked in the top spot for fencing Sacramento. Getting into this top spot, you can usually figure to be getting about 33% of all search volume. So that's a big chunk. Probably that would be about 100 clients a month just for that one search term coming to your guys' site, just if you were in this top spot. So looking at this, I don't know if you're super familiar with how Google works. Obviously, everybody's used Google. But generally, you have up here what's called paid ads. What that is you can hire, or not hire, but you can reach out to Google and you're able to build out these ad campaigns called pay-per-click or pay-per-call Google ad campaigns. They can be very successful if they're managed correctly, but if they're mismanaged, it can really become a huge money pit. What I'm really trying to focus on with my clients is organic rankings in the Google Map Pack. So getting into this Google Map Pack, this is any mentioning of your business name, phone number, and address. It's called citations, and that's a big part of rankings within this map pack. Another big part of that is obviously your organic rankings, so where your website falls into this organic section. Looking at you guys for this search term, you guys are currently sitting at, I believe when I looked it up, yes. So you guys are currently sitting at 45th. So you definitely have a lot of room to move up. There's always a funny joke of where do you hide a dead body, and it's the 5th page of Google. You're not going to get people coming to your guys' website by being this far back. So really, moving this up in the rankings and doing some SEO work for this would definitely help you guys out. Looking at your guys' website and the inner rankings and kind of what you guys have going on. A big part of rankings is called backlinks. What backlinks are is it's site A linking to site B with a link to your site, and in turn you're getting what we call backlink juice or link juice back to your site. So the more backlinks you have, the more link juice you're getting, and in turn it's going to move up your site faster. So looking at what you guys have right now, you currently have 3 backlinks from 2 referring domains. And what you're also looking for with these backlinks is that they're do follow. And the do follow means that they're going to actually allow you to get that backlink juice back to your website. So you guys have 1 do follow domain. Looking at the top ranked sites for fencing Sacramento, Sacramento Fence Builders, which would be this one right here, top ranked. They don't have a whole lot of content on the site still. Definitely very easy to pass them up, a very doable task. They do have that contact form there. I would like to see it up higher. Looking at the inner workings on their site, they have 68 backlinks from 21 referring domains, 14 of those being do follow. So again, very doable to pass them up. That's not anything that kind of scares me in that regard. Castillo Fencing, they don't really have a lot of content on their site at all. It's mainly just pictures. But looking at the back end of stuff, they do have a few more backlinks and referring domains. They might have some hidden backlinks on here also, because these metrics are actually pretty low for how well they're ranking. So, beefing up your backlink profile would definitely help you guys out with these rankings. Combine that with your content, putting that extra content on here, really working on, your services page. You could definitely have, what I would recommend is have a separate page for wood fences, separate page for vinyl iron fencing, really build out this site to just kind of develop it a little bit more. And I think you guys would see some great results and improvement on your rankings. So if you have any questions on any of this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you guys more. Have a great rest of your weekend. Thank you.